Making the difference with Adepa Abna Ajobua.
Hello, abusiafo. Adofo ni etiefo. Ye de trade amponyankopon asese na wotwe akwa aba betu ye biem ne ese hia wo Adepa inspirational show iso. Me a me di dwumadi achia me efrem Adepa Abna Ajobua. Me da maboafo so ase ene me fans asese de bia mo follow me na mo wo me ho abotre. Opese o social media ubenya me wo Facebook wo Adepa Abna Ajobua. Oko YouTube so ubenya me wo Adepa Abna Ajobua Inspirational TV. Oko Instagram so ubenya me wo Adepa Abna Ajobua Inspirational TV. Me do twediam ponyankopon asibiem se ene menim ubedi se dwumadie yi. Dwumadie ya ye bedi ye de base ebe inspire people, to motivate people, to encourage people and to empower people. And we are similar way obie ni wa oye perfect. In setting na nye pe, we need support in our lives. Into onua wutie men fa aba free edumedia ye bedi na fa bon to mano and fa boko to dream na fa bobra no. Before ye best start dwumadie me kwa kwaje nkranto afuri aboafo ho aba na ma introduce me guesta yene ni bedi impisi mu no.
Making the difference with Adepa Abna Ajobua.
Abusiafo me mama kwa ba Adepa inspirational show ni so ye guesta oni beye pensimpisi mu ne nkitaho die no a friend Apostle Samuel Asumani. Ono na ye founder of Christ Deliverance Power Ministry ewo Achimota of Anko. Ene topic a ye ba bedi hu dwumadie ana ye be pese mu ana ye be inspire people no. Ya to ni din who is a father. Apostle ye ma akwaba eba Adepa inspirational show ni so.
Yena.
Apostle, who is a father?
Thank you very much. Medasi bibri. Na onyame hira ne dwumadie nwanwanhwa onyame na mosodi aba. Wiase na nyame afa so aboa enipa nyina mempa boni se onyame bekoso apija.
Amen.
Na wapija sa dwumadie. Na nyame hira ahwefo nso a wo mo hweye.
Yes.
Obi bia o hweye mi wogidie se dwumadie ne nkwawie no wo abrabo enyese ne tieta.
Amen.
Me da se obi Sam says who is a father? Why ne eja? Na simple definition of a father is a man in relation of his children. Obema anase eja o ne ma enya nkotahudie anase o wa kwanya kese ewo ne ma abrabo na eja ene obi a owo eni daho o wa tenka o wa yemhwehye
Abadaye
o wa badaye o wa tema eman ne ma na believe say ye can say obi eja na society
see it does say it's Apostle Obema bia is you're qualified to be a father now.
One way the other no make us say yes. Nientia make us say yes. Now one way the other so make us say no. Ni say ye can a father one way the other is a biological father to a child. Ubia nyamia fane so na wawo eba abasa si subia no or ye biological father to that child. But another way no enyo bia na or ye father. Because a jano said them they can has a responsibility to your children. Who are should be kasipa as I say, sa should no utumi daddy wo ma abrabom. Nti kwa bi so no obia oye responsible a father to his children.
O kasano o say eja bia obi a one ne mawo nkitahudie be na aseja no ono ma echese mudie
me dash bebre as a fathers always has feathers eja bia wataban ya
or they cover them
and I used to say if you don't have father you can never go far into bia we a baby, it doesn't matter your age. You need a father in your life. And in life, we have so many kinds of fathers. In life, mimi shishuyemono mejitu mse ehun behiyama. Bakone the God of Father. Unyami obo soro no bo asase. Ni etosu biom your spiritual father. Eya meditation bi mu ka say spiritual fathers we here. But in
it's very important.
Penifo bu baby say o penny ni hwe na me wo me ba ye ya che. And o hwe chiro kronkrom a so a ye be friend Paul. Onyame friend no o suma ne say ansa na nani be bie no cause of penny anania so no mfa ne nsanto ne so ansa na nani abie. Abra sunsun ne ba so Old Testament. Bible say Samuel catch and say nyame hu beba wo so na be fiase ahyenkom in commission no many people ask one question say who is his father why ne papa it means a spiritual father is also adia ehu hia kekese pa and biem so no your biological father and I say a man that is taking care of you can be your father into father bia asundie ni say as I say, or she ne ba, and I say, Yankopon, they are sharing, they are comfortably, and I say, they are fulfilling their destiny on this earth.
Now, Pastor, what are the roles of a father? Roles being a just who play pa, so your papa.
Wonderful. God bless you for this question. A father role is very, very important. I know so many people know, say, Bimuso onim sabi obi wo wa so wo ba sasiswa official no nko ano enye ne nko ya shofu ye shiangrofo ebre a wode won sham ba yanim
yes
many people are in pain so bi wo wa da one papa apani nyankuta wodie ebabam no nte ne nkam etino eja bi asudie uro ni se you make sure that you put things in order in your house because you can Genesis 2:15 about we say abro nyankopon bo Adam no or the a garden of Eden na o man rules and regulations or say keep it and dress it it means you have a responsibility to keep your house in order as I say would ufie etoto baby that's what nyame fa Isaiah so catch hini Ezekiel or say put your house in order. Into a father rose ni say ubehwe say ufie bibia pepe o yere
you are the head of the family.
You are the head of the family. Ebiem wo ma so but taya nyame suma ba o nche
they make sure some accomplish their dream or their desires.
Yes. Obu o ashen ne ba be didi so ne di
emfa no
obu o shen ne yire be didi obehye obeye ne ti emfa no ono di ane se
osori anoko
meshia crash bi o say mempe pressure into osori a o mache 3 o'clock ko obeba fie so ba 11 pm o mra no na ne yire ne mada
da
mbisa say o yire no mabe dan didi o say eno de me yire no anenim kwan mo fa so e ba ne sha na went to me antutu ofie enti agya ro ni say obehwe say ni onyankopon de ahye ne nsa especially ne yire ne mba ene ne fia de nyina no obetutu amana ye pepe.
Okay, Pastor, nature say not every man is qualified to be a father.
No.
A DNT ne banisa.
The moment
a lack of responsibility and now DNT na omu a mema no omu journey free omu father responsibility no.
Me can say bi wo ho a na a lack of knowledge. Bible say lack of knowledge my people perish. No bo so a lack of understanding. Until as a father, it doesn't matter send a situation it here. As I say, we take responsibility. So we need be poor. That's why we have something that call it communication. I say when you no communicate, and no ban who say this is the situation. Obama bi who say enema mo aye den sika ni ho adwuma say na ndi ebe bana dream one say on dwane frefi. But the banisher na who am play role well as a father. Eti niema bi atete sa na me bimu etumi dwane frefie. Ebi o nso a owo sika ne bi owo bibia na nso etrimodin budisem bi mu trimodin pa
enuntina apostle fathers bi wo ho a omo ne omo mada edie nti die ne si omo tima aye spiritual forces bi ana as you say lack of knowledge and kono boni ntina owo ba now that because there's been a lot of cases me many tree atibie menim edie ntina ba ne sa se oba wa wo na ba wiase ne ho akono ben na ye wa wotimi ne da
me dash shane udi kankan no yemfa ne nyina enhye honhom but kwan bi shi wo ho a ibi wa na ye spiritual forces etata kire na na ye hu no ifiti abode mfiti ase eno ti na bible ka ewo Deuteronomy 28 wo o se no men kan ye hu na jadaja so no men kan yo ne aboada no men kan yo ne bada no men kan yo ne najada enti wutimi she ifiti abode mfiti ase na sa de we efiase na efiase abode mfiti ase a na yenka se eyade papa enti yensu soso eyade ye musuade etumi de no me bafie na se obi hwemi sa amre na sa akonna ni bi ewura no ye bompa ye ma se ni pako se onyame twitwanje no na onsane no mfrem ebiem shu meka se apart from spiritual force no obu ayesuatra obu onso a ono na we decide say I want to do that but ni nyina nkamfo ano enya de papa wansha untimi ntwa wo tachremanto tonyo no enu kwan hye woni wasremu ba
ebeda
economic
enem ebrewo it's apostle obi a wa encounter that kind of problem and now what this happen, you know, there's a lot of people out there omoma bebre ada edie message na woman
ne me ka kire safo ne se enkachi se obenu wo ho ahwehwe urade kire kwanya emfa ho ne ne wawaye onyame betumi di wonfum so acho ne dikan ya so mo ye ne se ese se wonu wo ho se ne waye nanye na osere bo ne fache na onyame mfa wonfum so nchew number 2 ese se ohwehwe software kire kwan na osofo no srema ne bia na se ne kan no eye huhun bi na techire na e push na ma na yesare na so wia on pe counselor etese wo na onne wondi nkuta ho na counselor no etunufu sane ebeya onipa ko no ebetumi apie from sha
okay eda wase apostle ebi ana akola bi o papa ha no o person ne da efutu oben na o woman no ene
onyame nhyira obi a ohwe ye nhye ye gugu shua ye diabobo na sesade ne bi hawa ne ye beka a kire onyina ne se eni nkwan se wo disie obu o wa na ye de nhya toso ehu atoso se wo bo bi amane pa mekun se wo ka kire obi a menhwe obi wo ka kire obi a metu afria but se wo ya bofra na se obi akasa akyerɛwa ne di kan ese o ye ne se ese se o ka kyerɛ obi a obetumi
apostle we de me ntwawa no yenkɔgye enkrato emfiri yaboafo embra ye ba ye be taken from where we stop.
Making the difference with Adepa Abna Ajobua.
Ashafo me mama kwa babiem ba Adepa inspirational show. And the topic ye inspire people about and ye pese mu a ye educate ye who about ya tuni de who is a father. Apostle ye take it from baby ye stop ye no. Na me pese me busa wo say abayo bi wo ho e bi opapa ha no e make passes at her e die futuo e na ade be ma no
onyame nhira na nyame nhira ye tiefo so se ne mbi kankan no se e ba ne sanso a na obia saade ne bi ato ananse e bi tata no ade se odi kan ne se mentena so e ya na om de hu e hyew mu se wo kan kyero bi a mekun mebo menhyew biom this and that e ba ne shape na o keep no na be ma ne papa ne pese o ye wo no watumi de aye wo e ba ne se utrumika na o pe opani bi na o bona mane se o bona mane a e be ma sa o ha na nka wo kotom no wo enkonko kotom biom because waja ne da pe e de no make share ene o how about
na apostle nkwala bi wo ho a omo eye omo de omo pene so ma omo jane ne omo da eye nkwala no eye nkwala bone na eye omo ana eye omo so spirit bi na e work omo
bibia ni wo a mentachiri bibia e odin bia there is a spirit behind na ade bia so akoye ne sense wo yo onipa na nyame sunsun tiwmu no ese wo dwen ho mienu na wo dwen sunsun so a
ebe implications
ade bebro eti memma futuo ne se bia na wo abofra ne nso ayewde na wo dia yetuamu da ese wo ma wani ba ho so na wo etu ho fu ehwehwe chironkonkro na chiri kwan se da na bible ne na enye ne bible kampo a ede nshinsan so na ede breme because you see am aka se mahu bi da eja bi ne ba anyinsen ayi egu baako 5
mahu bi da
na bisa se oni waja ne wo na wa anyanwu a edin be na wo de to abofra no o frɛ wo papa ne sen my husband my friend
my
father eti ishinshanswa edi akire ne dospa enti ese obi wote bia eti samu a ese o man na ni ba no so na se o hweyen ya na sa adwumadi nkasa nkire no na ontwe ne ho mfire mu ebia na wadi mu tintiman a opese ojai ontumi se na me kan no onhwehwe awrade akire kwan onhwehwe asofa akire kwan onhwehwe council bi akire kwan se ne on betumi aboa no ama wetumi apie free sa how
apostle ensunso aye ben na eya ede bre agya no ede ene bre akwala no so
ensunso
ebi ne sen
etade ba shane ye chirokonko kan no ye no make sepa because Ruben fru na jampa woni naja yere die no naja kese no osi you are my right hand nka wo ye mi sanifa na nso wo behihim se nsuo efise woni waja yere akwakoda na nka wo ye me ma hoden o kansem bebre ye no mi nsem se wo ye sade na se waja na wo na no mpo andome mpo a eye no me because bible can't to say no men kan ye ohun naja anane na adacha etino sunsun fam no ede no me breye emma wabrabo awbo no
ensipi
because enhira bia endawo so ebiam no Emma Onyankopon ene mpa waka fa wo no entumi mamusa because we bu nyame mbra asem so ba se waye sade bi na dwane te Onyankopon a ode oboneche
ati eda wase nti Apostle Samuel Asumani ye ka se qualities of a father anything qualities of a father
me Onyankopon ase masa dwumadie ye ka qualities of a father next is a quality ade bia edimu na valuable sombo kesipa
because the answer me busa questions enye father bia na what that qualities
Debbie
your father you father a baby but who need the qualities what are the qualities
the qualities and share you have time for your children and for your family because marriage in a family is the first institution and yame share our Bible because body nyina wie and the Adam could be a garden of Eden was it to keep it to dress it and juma kese pa
yes
and verse 18 was a new question ni pa kontra it ma menya ne seso boafo emfama no de if ekoka na ho eno ma Adam be ye efie ni ti se ne Bible eka ye no enti se wo ye ja esese wunya mre ema wabusua no ma especially ye asosofi ene ujina ochina businessmen and women obo mpa oni time or dey share man ne dey say where you chop money at say abofrani didi you when di and we always depend on caretakers
yes
now wakofa caretaker no hwe na bushia or hwe ne ma men kan say e bone enye bone but as a good responsibility response father no you make sure say akwalan wedidi or school no koya na
waye ni homework
ohia
support
ohia bibia na ye wo ejane bi o wa ne man tututu me men
debi
because of osuro ni papa because of send standard bi an ne papa raise no the fear bi the boundary bi bridge bi abeda on ne banentem eti ne bane prefer share or problem bi obeka kire na danfo
and outsiders
dan share obeka kire ni papa
eno so na ma omukọ ti bia boni bia ensene mfata
yes e banisha e ma bofrani create another company as a company one share here on the man bad advice at changing the destiny from the main purpose into Onyankopon different it as a good father you must have time for your children
and bond properly
seriously sometimes and train my bofrano mmbi saw you need to communicate with them and so be some questions input through that you can see their potential and nemo nyame dia duomu because enkwala ye enkwala be ko sha ye enkwala na ja be ko so ye cha inte wo say ye nyamre ya na many a times you what time for our business chasing money chasing property and wealth
na ye mari ye job
ye man na ye ya to
omo so ne ye dachi
omo ne ye dachi because japade na wo penyina no because of them tina o bre pesa japade it was ye bomodi na ye nyamre ema ebu okrampo a odi sika soma ne banse onkotua school fees da krokrampo di e kire ko school mo na ekko bisa se me ma no
the progress to
say one day be surprised o man o be one na wo apie school mo na wa ba daddy abaha then now me ba be hwe se me man wo school wa meet me the dance actress obi de ne back to school kran
onko hoda wo see hoda ti abrabo bia ne ba ne bokran onim that was say apostle broken homes most of it no na papa for ni free e man ye broken homes edien na efutuo be na owoma etiefo mu tie yen a ebu ha there's a lot of broken homes ana obi a one ne yiri wo problem a all drink twice obe free obo won kola obe free ana oba ma bi wo ho a oba bi na etwe no na wagya oba ne enkola na to ma no so edi afutuo na wo ma wo
onyame nhyira wona onhyira atiefo menna nyame asem so hyesa fo no nyina nkran because aware no eyeten tina penfo se aware ne kwan ewa na de bia me kan se one of a school bi a wo fi ase a na ye the certificate asha school bi an ko wi ansa na ya mon certificate but aware the day I must say for better for worse na you say we no mo certificate aware na form
yes
papa na we hwe chirokonkroma me hia de ba ko bi free Adam ne ifo abra owo no dada if
yes
na Adam ye boni no anka ekoye me a akameka say wa ma me position
abom ntimi
jaware but Adam anyesa essence Adam ye good father ntino wan pamu oba no e ho krampo na ohunu say ne yiri no twe no ebe no so one sen person echi Adam ampien free anko enja ne yiri no echi say o how be ba amane bi ba atete bi ba unam ya bi mu nam otai bi mu wo aware mu wo fia mesre as a father ma enja obana enja enkwala no so as I say odwen dachi na odwen kwala no na asem bia ni wa yentumi kamenye ye ka ebetumi
yeda wase se waba Adepa inspirational show so wama yaye nhyira obi bia otie me no misa wafa bibi wom e de abo wontoma no e de abo okotodwenum e de abo bra no ne topic a ye treat ye tuni de who is a father papa fo matse the apostle Samuel asmani kan ye no you should take your responsibilities. Your man yanka omo ema yenchen omo ne ye daachi enye adwuma na ye pre ho enye sika na ye pre ho ye mana ye daachi meda maboafo ase hair by Coco 23 or East Legon makeup by Grace from Missile meda Adepa Abna Foundation for ase meda gift ya se ono na wama me ho aye fe atare a me sei gift wo fadama ono na opam mentare mame na me ho aye fe enei meda SM mobile matters omo so wo La Paz near Ecobank meda obi bia o support Adepa inspirational show ase that sene ye besan share wa Adepa inspirational show
motivate inspire and educate giving you a shoulder to lean on. Let me hear you say, ooh, Adepa, ooh, Adepa, Adepa, inspiration show. Let me hear you say, ooh, Adepa, ooh, Adepa, Adepa, inspiration show.
Making the difference with Adepa Abna Ajobua.